Hey guys, so just making this quick little video here regarding Google Play Pass. As you know, to me, this stuff is subjective. Some people will put out their opinion and say that it's trash, it's garbage, and so it made me even more curious to kind of wonder, what do you get with Play Pass? And so I decided to go ahead and start my trial to it, and I looked at some of these games here, and I'm like, okay, some of these games I've never heard of. And I'm one of those people that's like, don't ever judge a book by its cover, because the game may look like lame or whatever, but then, you might find it to actually be enjoyable. For instance, this game Limbo right here. I may download that and try that later. So, one of the things that, in my opinion, doesn't make this this trash, in my opinion, basically, is that I have a family connection. So, apps for kids, and I decided to explore to see what kind of stuff you get. And there's like a lot of games here that, my kids can play. Even ones like this, like ABCs and 1, 2, 3, is a game that basically, games that focus on, kids learning to count, learn sounds, letter sounds. And I'm just like, wow, this is actually pretty cool. My son can play these games since he likes to play games, and it would definitely help him prepare him for kindergarten. And that's actually pretty cool. And then it's categorized, kids age 9 to 12. It's got stuff here that they can, they can play. It's 3 games right now, obviously new, but I'm like, all right, well, just how bad could this be for someone like me? And then I went to my Nexus player, and it gave me Star Wars Knights of the Old Republic. That is free, as it comes with Google Play Pass. So initially, right now, maybe some of these games are not something that you may be interested in. Maybe some are. Maybe some of these games you never heard of. But eventually, they're going to add more things to it. Again, this is new. This is not Stadia. So if you're looking for cloud gaming and stuff like that, and you're like, why isn't this working? It's because this is not Stadia. This is just Google Play Pass. A list of games, a list of stuff that you can do with it, that apps that you can use or whatever. It's got categories here, top games and things like that are given to you just for having the subscription, rather than having to pay individually for each app. Like, I believe Knights of the Old Republic was like $10. You had to buy the game and download it, and I don't need to purchase it. It comes included with my $4.99 monthly subscription. Actually, right now, since I started a trial, after the trial, I'll be charged $1.99 for 12 months, and then I'll go up to $4.99. So I won't even pay $5 a month until a year later. I'll be paying $2 a month for the next 12 months. So October of next year is when my $5.99 subscription will hit. So is this really trash? And in my opinion, no, because there's something for everybody. You just have to look. And don't ever judge an app by its cover, because you actually might find the game to be enjoyable. Just gotta give it a chance. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, now I'm gonna go play some Star Wars Knights of the Old Republic.